You notice we've been talking a lot about millennials this morning.
I know, it's our day.
Apparently. All right.
I don't know why Jody over there, a chocolate, she and Marvin, but whatever.
Anyway, the millennials, the generation born from 81 to 96, like I said.
I don't mean them, me 80.
80, 79.
Shoot.
It's true. We're right outside. It's okay. We can still relate. That generation, they're changing up a lot of the way things used to be done with weddings. Also traditional things that people have been doing. Millennials have decided we are not doing that. So we're talking this morning about wedding traditions that have been or are being killed off, this article says, by millennials. And this is according to Yahoo Lifestyle. The first one is something old, something new.
Something borrowed, something blue.
Yes, an old English rhyme meant to signify the 4 good luck items that a bride should have on her wedding day. But apparently this is not carrying as much weight as it used to. So millennial brides are like, we don't need that.
Something blue? Shoes where the bridesmaids wear blue.
We don't need that. We don't
Something old. How old is this church?
Exactly.
Yeah, them not gonna put on an extra time or work to go find all of this.
Yeah.
Makes sense, I guess. I mean, how many brides has it brought luck?
I know.
In the past.
Especially with these statistics that we're hearing.
Out. Not seeing each other until the ceremony. Yeah. That used to be a big thing.
Yes. This
it's
old
bad luck.
tradition
Don't see the groom. Don't see the groom.
Of no peeking. It has an unpleasant backstory. In the age of arranged marriages, apparently the groom wouldn't see the bride until the morning of so that he wouldn't back out at the last minute. Is that right? Is that really why this started?
That's so unfortunate. So the suggestion here is this only one person can back out.
I'm just saying.
So what if the bride see the groom and say, I guess she doesn't have a choice, eh?
Well, listen to this. These days, couples are together for an average of close to 5 years before getting engaged. And 89% of couples cohabit prior to getting married, according to Bridebook's 2017 report. So they say unless there's a case of extremely cold feet, a runaway groom situation is doubtful. What about a runaway bride? Could happen. So couples are now staying together the night before the wedding to save on hotel and transportation bills. So
them all drive go to church
together. So millennials are doing away with that too. I kind of like that aspect of it though, for some reason.
They're not seeing him, yeah.
I think it's
even if you've been together for 20 odd years.
Yes.
It's the wedding day and you see, when you walk up and see him in him new, it's like,
yes.
Oh, you look so good.
You look
and
made
then
up
see you
and
you
so.
go and I say, oh, she looks so good in her. Oh.
I think so.
It's a oh.
Millennials keep that one. It's nice to
Yes.
get butterflies into your belly. Single gender bridal and groom parties.
That gone through the window.
Have they really?
Gone through the window.
So guys don't have their stag parties anymore, and women don't
No,
have their...
meaning the best is you look now you see women as the best man.
Oh, bridal and groom parties, meaning best man and best woman. Yes.
So you have a male bridesmaid or bridesman. You'll have a female groomsman. Because first time some people used to make up the number.
You just choose.
Like my friends are not all girls. I hang out with a lot of guys, but guys can't be bridesmaids. So make me go find one cousin. Or one long time auntie.
Who you necessarily would not have put.
And put them in the bridal party. But now people are really going for who their friends are and saying, listen, you're my friend. You should be in this party.
That I love. Love that. Floor length white dress. Nope. The white wedding dress became a bridal staple in 1840 when Queen Victoria wed King Albert. Okay, we've come a long way since then. So non-white wedding dresses, I remember when the color was off-white and people were like, horror of horrors. Especially since white also is supposed to mean purity.
Right.
Well, blush.
But then what was happening now when you started having more divorces and second marriages, people say, well, You're married already. Where y'all going to white?
Exactly.
Some people started going champagne and off white.
Oh, it's hard, yeah.
Now I love African weddings.
Yes.
Because they have two.
Yes.
They have the traditional one, which is them in them African thing
Garb.
and the music and they go all out, and then they have the white. When them go all out again, nice, love it.
Well, these days, it don't matter. Blush, beige, yellow, red, florals, gray, black, whatever people want. I see somebody in a gold dress the other day. Can we congratulate Booker? Did we congratulate
We can congratulate Booker.
Karen Booker got married 2 weeks ago. She looked splendid for us in her gold gown on her wedding day. So you go, girl.
Congrats to Karen and Marvel.
That's right.
This Reddit user says she's looking at black dresses and in general anything not marked wedding, because anything not marked wedding is significantly cheaper. So once wedding touch it,
lots of different considerations, and some people don't like the poofy, formal. You know, it's not their thing. Veils have largely been upgraded to fascinators. Some people just want a flower in their hair, or their headpieces made of silver, pearls, as more fashionable options for brides. And then apparently some brides are even opting to ditch veils entirely for capes. Some even with hoods. Okay. Whatever works for you.
If you're my friend, I'm going to see you tonight. I'm going to take it off for you.
Matching bridesmaids dresses.
So I didn't even know that this is what it was for. It was meant to confuse evil spirits hoping to kidnap the bride. Yeah. Traditional matching bridesmaids dresses.
Why? But the bride going to have on a different dress anyway. So if all the bridesmaids are dressed alike, what difference does it make?
But what are we the evil spirits will not try to kidnap the bride?
I'm just saying.
Is who sent him, the groom?
I'm not sure.
The thought of stuffing all of your closest friends into identical pastel taffeta gowns. No, the millennials, them not having it. Not having it. Because sometimes the bride used to put the bridesmaid them in something but they themselves would not wear.
Ugly.
Awful.
Ugly. Traditional registries are also going out.
Yeah.
Save your cash, it says. Millennials probably already own what you're going to buy. Bathroom towels.
Well, if you live together for 5 years.
Yes. So
chances are you have a toaster.
It says over 40% of millennials are setting up online registries for unique and eclectic items. And then, of course, they're setting up online funds where you can deposit cash.
Help them towards a house.
Quite so.
Thing. That's right.
Quite so.
The garter toss. No, say it isn't so.
Hush.
Piece of the bride's dress was thrown into a sea of people as proof that the couple had consummated the marriage. It is said to bring good luck and fertility to whomever caught the garment, so men would fight for it.
Not true?
Only 32% of millennials are choosing to continue. No, millennials, keep the garter toss. Why would you not keep the garter?
And keep the bouquet toss too. They're throwing that away as well. Oh, man.
No.
Oh, man.
Well, let me say, when you spend up to X amount on a bouquet, you probably don't want to toss it.
Keep it as a souvenir.
First time people go pick them flowers and make them bouquet, you know, but no, the bouquet is thousands and thousands of dollars.
Okay. The list is very long, but it includes throwing rice, inviting everybody, formal wedding venues, face-to-face wedding planning, exiting in a car with just married, and what they say?
Diamonds for the engagement ring.
All right.
That is a long can.
I have one question to ask. How do you feel about people wearing white to a wedding where the bride is in white?
I don't like it. I don't like it. Mr. Bride said them have all white weddings, so all the bridesmaids are in white, the guests are in white, the groom in a white, you in a white, the pastor in a white. Me not like it.
An all white affair.
It's not breakfast party.
It's one thing though if the bride and groom say it's okay, but generally speaking, it's a thing that you don't wear white to somebody's wedding unless you are advised to so do. So if you're going to a wedding and you have not gotten express permission to wear white, you probably should not wear white to the bride's wedding, because the bride tradition states should be only
if them wear white, it means them think the bride don't have no good security. No, me tell the security, say them come tell them say wrong venue. Come in, Sheffield was spiteful and do it.
Womp,
So
womp.
anybody say I come in and white,
Uninvited.
especially I like a short man.
Oh gosh. Yes, Chef said he would wear black because he'd be mourning the fact that you're going to somebody else. All right, folks. That is it for Girl Talk. For this
That's
week.
it for Girl Talk this week.
After the break, we're talking about sugar waxing.
Sugar waxing. I
Which
couldn't
you
be
might
more excited.
Want to do before the wedding so that, you know, everywhere is smooth. Soon come back.
Yay, yay.